bawod ka adto nga to. Kabawod man. Makasakay baka tana. Sakay ta. Balod. Siguro na siya.
May game ka. Free na deliver.
Oh, free na oy. Oh, free na siya deliver kay gibayaran naman ang daan ni Larry pero muhatag lang ko. Bayad naman ang daan. Maigo baka nasa motor no? Ala na abot guys oh. Abot na. Lora na yung giguha dito sa kaso. Nga balimaw. Malipo? Doon naman guys. Dali naman.
Ano yung bata sa kawas? Ano ba itong suwari itong papel? Ano yung bata?
Dali naman. Walay pila makabot usa ka oras kapin. Padong magtumidugay ka ato kay sungsung sa bawd pero padong magili.
Hello and welcome to my channel. We have ordered Starlink on August 23rd. It arrived today, which is September 2nd. So 9 days. Unfortunately, it didn't arrive to our island. It arrived on the main island of Camotes, and my wife had to go over and get it. But it's here. So we're gonna do some unboxing here and see what we got. And then later we're gonna hook it up and see how fast it is. They really wrapped it good in plastic, so that's good. There's lots of plastic. I'm gonna do this without cutting myself. And we'll see what goes on. Starlink from the US. Finally, we can have real internet from the US. Very fast. World internet. We have smart now. Starlink! It has arrived. I've watched a whole bunch of unboxing videos, so I can do this in my sleep. There's 2 little pieces of tape here. I already knew that. And then we got to make it straight again. Okay, you ready? Here we go. Cardboard. Not very impressive yet, but I already knew that. I'm gonna take this little packing material off. That's nothing, but we're gonna save everything in case we gotta send it back. And here's the little stand. It's very hot. I don't know why. I think because they were on the bike. That's the stand. And here's the dish. Ooh, it's heavier than I thought it was gonna be.
A small dish. What happened?
Huh?
What happened? What's
What
that?
happened to what?
What one?
It's
Cover?
a piece of paper.
Oh,
That's the instructions. But I've seen enough videos on YouTube that I don't need the instructions no more.
okay. What's it?
And this snaps into here. I've seen some people take it out and some people leave it. I have to decide. I don't know. Some people leave it in and then put it down through the hole, and some people don't. I'm not going to for now. I'm just going to stick it in the hole for now. Once you find the little slot thing. There you go. For now,
What's next?
here's an instruction manual. No, it's not. It's stickers. Oh, to keep the cats off it. No cats allowed. Starlink, and if you look, there's little cats on the sticker. And here's the Wi-Fi router. And they give you 75 feet of cable, which is a lot, which we're probably going to need because I don't know where we're going to stick it because we have lots of trees. And the power cable. So that's basically my unboxing for now.
That's it?
Give me a little bit, and we're going to try to hook it up outside first and see if it works and let you know the download speed. So we'll get back to you soon. See you later. Bye.